music video. Okay na. Okay. Dahil dyan, sobrang kaabang-abang talaga ito. Uunahin na natin ang Q&A. Usually kasi yung Q&A yung inuhuli natin kasi yun ang pinakaabang-abang. But I don't know. For this show, talagang yung AVP yung dapat natin abangan and save the best for last. So let's head on over to our Q&A with our questions of course from our media friends. Starting off with a question from Mr. Robert Regentina of Manila Bulletin.
Hello, magandang hapon po. My first question goes to Karen and Bea. I understand this is your first project together. So how is it working together for the first time? Miss Bea and
Ayan, kala ko may order po. Good afternoon, bago lahat. Good afternoon po sa inyo lahat. Thank you for coming here and for helping us promote this very special project. Dun po sa tanong, it's my first time working with Carla. Also, it's my first time doing a murder mystery drama on TV, or even sa movies never ko siya nagawa. But I am glad na finally nakatrabaho ka na si Carla because she is very professional. She's a generous actress, and she's very gracious. Tsaka sinasabi ko to sa harap niya. I think she's a gentle soul, and I'm glad that I got to know her better.
Miss Carla.
Thank you. Bulag ako doon. Hanggang ngayon, lagi po sinasabi hanggang ngayon, kapag meron po kaming eksena, nasa starstruck pa rin po ako sa kanya. Yun po yung totoo. It's the truth. I think I mentioned one time po na hindi ko akalaing aabot po sa ganitong point na talagang makakatrabaho ko po siya. Kasi for me, parang wishful thinking lang po yan noon. So, nung nabalitaan ko po, sobra po ako na-excite. May konting kaba. But my goodness, she is everything I imagined her to be, plus more. Napaka-passionate po niya. She's dedicated to her craft. Hindi mo yung maliliit na detalye, alam po niya. Mabait po siya, madali siyang pakisamahan. Wala pong reklamo, very patient, and of course, napaka-husay po.
And again, after Miss Bea and Carla, how does your role in Widow's War differ from the past characters you've done in the past? And paano kayo nakakarinig sa characters mo dito personally?
Actually, hindi po ako nakaka-relate gaano. Very different. Although I did a soap po, yung aking project po prior to this one was Stolen Life. In a way, thankful po ako naging stepping stone po yun. Kasi matamang po yung isang character ko doon as Farah. So, ang layo, ibang-iba dito si George. Somehow, parang nahihirapan po akong makarelate sa kanya. She's ambitious, she will do anything and everything to get what she wants. Pagdating sa pamilya, gagawin niya lahat, kahit mali. So, matapang itong si George. Kaya, medyo hirap po akong makarelate sa kanya in real life.
Ako naman po, yes, iba yung genre.
Sakit.
Iba yung genre nito compared sa lahat ng nagawa ko. But I guess the process is still the same for me. Pinag-uusapan nga namin ni Direk kanina, yung as actors, we're also storytellers. So, lahat ng emosyon nagagaling from a place of truth within yourself. So, lahat tayo, hindi naman perfect. May kabutihan tayo, meron din tayong kasamaan, may mga bagay that takes us off, may mga bagay, may kabaliwan din tayo lahat, di ba? But somehow, bilang artista, kinukuha mo yung maliit na bagay na yun, tapos minamagnify mo. So, I guess the process is the same for me as doing drama or horror or other genres. But I think ang malaking tulong dito are the creative team and our director. Sila talaga yung nagpupunta just really reacting. And I am very, very lucky that I have all these actors with me, acting opposite me, si Miss G. Garcia. Na parang, nakatrabaho ko na before si Miss G, but this time na talagang harapan namin, I always get inspired by her. So yes, to answer your question, it's the genre is different, but for me the process is the same.
Okay, last question. For Miss Abby and Carla, meron ba kayo mga intense na scenes? What can you share with me? And paano?
Gano'n ka-intense po mga eksena?
Yes, so,
Parang ano po lagi po of course may intense na eksena. Parang hindi po kayo mabobore, sa totoo lang po. Hindi naman din po ito yung tipo ng kwento na wala na po silang ginawa kundi magsampalan or mag-away. But you will always be at the edge of your seat. Kasi mapapakapit po kayo dahil pahihingahin po namin kayo and then mamaya ayan na naman po. Medyo intense na naman po yung mga eksena. I believe may lumabas na po sa teaser na isang eksena po, yung nag-away po si Sam at saka si George, na pareho po silang naka-black, nagsampalan po sila. So, masasabi ko po, yung mga ganong eksena, wala sa kanilang tama, walang mali. Parang pareho po silang, yun yung maganda doon na hindi niyo po alam kung kanino kayo kakampi. Wala po kayong kakampihan kasi pareho po silang may pinagagalingan. So, madami po kami mga eksena ni Bea.
Oo, very intense. Sa totoo lang, itong project na to, hindi lang siya emotionally draining sa mga artist, physically draining din siya. Unang-una, kung mapapansin niyo dun sa ABB kanina, ang gaganda ng mga locations, di ba? Talagang sinasadya namin yung mga locations namin, Bataan, La Union, Batangas. Talagang minimake sure nila direct na visually enticing din siya. So, syempre, mahirap din namin puntahan tong mga lugar na ito just to make sure that maganda siya lalabas. I mean, based dun sa script, kung paano nila na-imagine, we can only hope na ganun din siya lalabas sa screen, di ba? Yes, it's very intense. Siguro hindi lang on screen, but behind the scenes is also very intense for us. It's very draining, but hindi kami nagrereklamo kasi pag nakikita namin yung produkto ng ginagawa namin, ako very, very happy ako.
Salamat po and congratulations.
So, song number. At this time, we would just like to request everyone to please settle down. We do have other guests as well in the back. And for this portion of the program, nako, mas may enjoy nyo to, na mas komportable po kayo sa inyong mga seats, sa inyong mga tables. So everyone na nakaupo dito, please,